Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to color correct or animate like Sailor Moon based on their cell color. And the program that I'm using is it's called 3D Look Creator. And let's examine what we have on the screen. And first, we have the frame of the DVD, and then and this is the model that I'm going to use to color correct the frame. As you can see, it is the same model with Lei with her school uniform. It's the same thing. And okay, so let's begin. To color correct a color casted or animate is like giving a video with an unknown curve, and your goal is trying to figure out what that curve is and then restore it. And this process is what we call reconstructing the linear curve. And to do this, we're going to need to recreate this linear curve using the grayscale from the cell. So let me demonstrate how to do it. So first, I need to create the window to the swatch window. Let me see, where is the swatch? Yep, swatch window. Here. And then I'm gonna add the gray color to the swatch. I'm gonna click here to add color, and then I'm gonna flip back and forth between the working image and the reference to add the colors to the swatch. And for example, this is a white color. I'm gonna click it, add it, and then I'll switch back to this, and then add the white color here. As you can see, it was added to the swatch. And then next, I'm gonna add this color, and then add this back. So this is also gray, and then I'll add this, and then where is it? This. Okay. And there is no black in here, so I might just have to add this. So just pay attention that this is not black. I'm gonna pull this, and then while I add it, let's add the other color that we're gonna use next. I'm gonna add this red, this one here, this highlight here, skin color, the tongue, and then the color here, and that is the whole image. And next up, we're going to match the grayscale color from the left of the swatch to the reference color on the right. The normal way to do it is to compare the RGB value and then just match it in the curve. For example, when you look at the red color, and then we go to the red is 255, but we want to make it 242. So what we're going to do is you're going to pull from the red color 255, really 242 right here. No, right? I don't know, like something like this. And then the green got pull up in here for this one. make it 42, and then the blue, and then put it back up, also the red, something like that, and do it for every single one of the grayscale. But actually we have a shortcut in this program that can do this in a click. So let me reset it, and then I'm gonna use this tool called the exact tool. Gonna click it. I'm gonna click the reference. I'm gonna click the top, the color that's gonna match to. I'm gonna click it again. See, it's doing the same thing. And then I'm gonna do click here, then click here, click here, and then I'm looking at this color, the hair color. Even though it is not a grayscale color, but I think I can use it. I'm gonna click and then click, and then the image looks correct. And that is it for the first step of building the Lindy curve. So the next step is to adjust the brightness and the saturation separately. So how do we do that? That is from these two windows, this aluminums and this saturation. And since this program is working from left to right and then up and down, and if I already did the curve here, I couldn't go back up and do the luminance and saturation after. So what I need to do is to save this current setting, and then we set the whole thing. What I'm gonna do is like edit, and then compile 3D LUT, and then load it as an external LUT, and we set the thing. Click here, and now I have saved the current setting, and then I can start doing the luminance and saturation again. So let's do it. So in here, I would like to use the HSL indicator to show me more information, more color information. So I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna hold on Shift and then right click on any part on the swatch, and then I'm gonna switch all the things to HSV display. Nope. Do it again. Yep. Now I can see hue, saturation, value, which means brightness. And let's start here. And then let me just sort it by luminance, so easier to see them. Okay. So let's start with the luminance. So I'm gonna start with a darker color first. Before that, I will need to first lock the black and white patches so they don't move when I click. Right? Wait, nope. Go back here. Okay, gotta click here and here, the black and white, so they are locked, so they cannot be changed. And look at the next color. The value is 31%. I want it to be around 35. So I click onto the right here and move up. 34. Okay. This is 39 and 47. Okay, which is fine. 47 and 44. This is back, and then do it here. 4, and then the rest of them looks fine. And then next is the saturation and Numa curve. The same thing. Start from the bottom So it's 31% to 52. So I click here and then go up, up. It's not doing much that thing. Okay, that's fine. The next color, put it back down, put it back to 43. And then the next color, oh wait, hold on. So let me just, oh actually it actually matched the red. Okay, about this is fine. This is a little bit back up a little. This is fine. This is fine. Back a little. Okay, let's go back to aluminum since I changed the saturation. Aluminum also changed a little bit. It's 34, 34, 48. Okay, good, good. Okay, so this one has to be lower a little bit. Then they are good. And then we are almost done. And then we are to. And now we can go to the last step, which is to refine the color. As you can see, all these colors basically matches except for this two, the purple right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the AB grid here. But then again, the AB grid came before the curve. So if I want to use the AB curve, if I want to use the AB curve again, I'm gonna need to compile the LUT again. Go edit, compile, reset. So this is the size of the grid. Usually I would just go with the maximum number because it gave me more control. And here I want to match this color, and I'm going to use the exact two here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the reference color and then click on this color. You see the color moved, and then click here, click here, and that's it. And let me see, and let's check the accuracy rating. I can click here, simple chart, click here, and then I'll look at this number. This is the accuracy rating called average delta. And for reference, anything that is lower than 3, it means excellent. For anime, anything under 5 should be alright too. So in here I can see that my average delta A is under 1, which is excellent. So that's it, and I can just double check. Let me just make the image bigger and then just check. Okay, looks fine. And then for the back and forth, before, after, before, after, it looks good. Alright, then this image is well color corrected. And finally, you can save this as a 3D LUT and reuse it in any other video program. Right? And in here, this is another example that I wanted to do. Okay, same thing. I had already loaded in my reference image here. So this is the cell color for the Luna Cat. So let me go over this step real quick. Let me first add all to the swatches. Okay, white, black, the skin color. Oh, that's wrong. Nope. Got this, and then add here, at the moon, at the red here, then probably here. And then the eyes, and then yeah, and that's it. And then let's go to the steps. Here, exact 2. I'm gonna that, like that. So in this image, there isn't really any other grayscale color. Then what do we do? And for this one, I'm going to do it by eyes. So when I compare these two colors, I can see there's too much blue in the image. So I go to the blue curve, and then pick out my pointer here, and gonna hold on this. I'm gonna click on this color, and then drag it down. Okay. Also I forgot to sort it. It's much easier to do this way. And also, let me switch to the HSV for them. Okay, for this one also, this is also much bluer. Then drag it down. As I drag it down, right, I'm paying attention to this hue. I want the hue to match to the reference too. Okay, so let's kind of, nope, it's not doing anything. Nope, it's too dark. I go to green. This just trial and error. Alright, it worked. Now this one, it matched the hue is 231 to 231. And for this one, can I get it? 234. Oh. Yep. Okay, it's fine. And then, is there any other that I can fix? For these two, this is a saturation problem, so you couldn't fix that. I mean, you couldn't fix that in the curve. You cannot fix that in the curve. This is a little bit yellower, but there's no yellow here, so you can fix it. So that's it for this step. So let's compile and reset. Now let's go to aluminums. Let's work on, let's lock the black and white on the curve first, and then next is gonna just pull this up 40%. This is 30%. I'll pull this up. Yep. And then 75 seems alright. Just put it back to 87, 79. Yeah, it seems alright. And then next is the saturation. Before this is so saturated. Let me just put it down, okay, down, right. Then 4, Let's just go up. Just okay, looks alright. Now this one can go even lower, right? Yep. And then there is the lumen also changed, so I need to go. I'm gonna do it faster, like that, and then let's do it like that. Okay, I see some other effects. So probably did something wrong. Bad. 30. That. Yeah, forget about it. Effect. Right. That is about it. Then fix this, and then just compile it, and then go to the last step. Last step here. Exact 2. Exact 2. Exact 2. Exact 2. I think that's it. Then check on the average delta E 1.52. It means pretty good. Now when we zoom in, we can actually see these. I wouldn't call these artifacts because when you check on the original, they're right there. So it would be some noise that they should be cleaned by the noise reduction filter. Okay, and I think that is good for this one. And one more thing that I want to do, and actually there's another way that I can do it faster. And let me just do a second sample here. Let me do another new version, and we do the first step. As we're building the linear curve, the same thing. Exact 2. And this time I'm actually going to use these two color, kind of gray color, and treat them as a grayscale. So I'm going to match this one to this one, and this one to this one. Well, it also worked. Okay, so let's compile it. And this time I don't even need to touch the luminance and saturation. I can just go straight to the AB grid. And then go here. And then try to match it. Match it. And that's it. A bit faster. So let's compare the before, after, and let me compare that to version 1. What is the shortcut key? Control alternate 1. Okay. Control alternate 1. So this is 1. This is 2. 1, 2. They're about the same thing. Okay, so this is for the second example. The next example is this one here. And for this one, we have Usagi here, and then I already have the reference color sheet here, and then let's add it to a swatch. White, black. Let me make it bigger. Then right here, black. Okay. Hair, skin. Hair, shadow, skin. Then just this, the dress, and then the iris, and then this. Oh, okay. Now let's do the first step, and then match the black and white in the RGB curve. Okay, still looks wrong. Okay, can I do this? Oh, it actually worked. Alright. Let me see. Let's change another color. No, it actually worked. Alright. That saved me some time. And also I see that this color has more red. So I'm gonna correct this. I'm gonna drag on this. Oh, not this one. This one. Okay, I'm gonna drag on this color and then pull it down. Also, I'm gonna change it to HSV so we can actually see them. So it works. And let me just compare them. 800. The saturation has this one I can do it with AB grid. The saturation here I can do it with AB grid too. Okay, I can see that the blue color needs a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna compile it and go to the second step, and then just regular blue. First lock on the black and white first, and then we're gonna blue a little bit up, five, then this goes a little bit down, and then it's good. Now to go to step 3, the AB grid. Here, boom, exact 2, match it. Alright, that's it. Easy. Boom, check the color accuracy, 1.63. Then it's all good. Then flip back and forth between before and after like this. Yep, it is done. And I think that's all I have for this demonstration. Thanks for watching. Bye.